Fun quiz for sense organs for kids.
Which sense organ helps you see? Eyes help us see colors, shapes, and light. What do ears help us do? Our ears help us listen to music, voices, and nature sounds. Which organ lets you smell your favorite food? The nose helps us smell yummy food, flowers, and even bad smells. Which sense organ helps you taste ice cream? The tongue has tiny taste buds to enjoy sweet, sour, salty, and bitter flavors. Which sense organ helps you feel if something is hot or cold? Our skin helps us feel temperature, pain, and textures. Which part of the eye controls how much light enters? The pupil gets bigger in the dark and smaller in bright light. What helps protect our ears from dirt and germs? It keeps dust and dirt away from the inside of the ear. What happens if you pinch your nose while eating? Our nose helps us smell food, which makes tasting it even better. Which of these is not a taste your tongue can detect? Crunchiness is not a taste. It's a texture that our skin and teeth help us feel. Which sense organ covers your whole body? Your skin is the largest sense organ and helps you feel hot, cold, soft, or rough things. Which sense organ helps you see colors? Your eyes help you see all the beautiful colors in the world. What tiny parts inside your ear help you hear? The smallest bones in the body, hammer, anvil, and stirrup, are inside the ear and help us hear sounds. What happens when you smell something bad? Your brain tells you to stay away. Bad smells, like rotten food or smoke, warn us of danger. Which part of your tongue tastes sweet things? The tip of your tongue is best at tasting sweet foods like candy and fruit. Which sense organ helps you know if something is soft or rough? Your skin has tiny sensors that help you feel textures like soft, rough.
Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.